In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import zone file in GoDaddy. If you're moving DNS settings from another provider or restoring a backup, importing a zone file is the fastest, most reliable way to bring all your records into GoDaddy in one go. A zone file is simply a text file that lists your DNS records, things like A, CNAME, MX, and TXT entries, along with their TTLs. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you know exactly which domain you want to update. Start by opening your browser, going to Google, and typing GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website to open it. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile name or avatar to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a page that lists everything in your account. On the My Products page, find the Domain section and select the domain you want to work on. Be certain you've picked the right one, because the changes you're about to make will affect how that domain resolves on the internet. Next, click DNS to open the DNS management page for that domain. This is where all your current records live. Inside DNS management, look for the Actions button. Click Actions, and from the drop-down, select Import Zone File. This option lets you bring in a complete set of DNS records from a file, instead of adding them one by one. Most standard bind-style zone files in .txt or .zone format will work. If your file includes the common records A, AAAA, CNAME, MX, TXT, and SRV, GoDaddy will read them and queue them up for import. Click Browse Files, navigate to where your zone file is saved on your computer, and select it. After you choose the file, GoDaddy will process it. If you see a summary, take a moment to confirm it looks correct, especially host names and mail-related records, since those can affect website routing and email delivery. When you're ready, click Apply Zone File to finalize the import. Once applied, your records will update on GoDaddy's name servers. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet, often within an hour, but it can take up to 24-48 hours for every location. During that window, you might see intermittent results while the changes settle. After a little time, test your website, email, and any other services you rely on. If anything looks off, you can refine specific records from the same DNS management page or re-import an adjusted zone file. And that's it. You've imported a zone file into GoDaddy quickly and safely.